Everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and save multiple definition queries using ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So now here in the table of contents section, you can able to visualize we have two different layers. One layer here represents our rail network layer. Let me show you that. So now you can able to visualize the rail network layer, and similarly the second layer here represents our countries layer. So you can able to visualize this is the country's boundary layer. So now to apply the definition queries for our countries layer, so now let me click my countries layer and right click. Now navigate to this option called properties. So in that we're gonna click this option called definition query, and now here click this option called new definition query. So now I'm gonna set my definition queries for the countries, that is continents equals to Africa. So now let me click this particular option here called FID. So now let me click this arrow here. So now I'm gonna select continents. So now here you can able to visualize this particular field called continent, and now we're gonna click this down arrow button. So from the continents we're gonna select this particular continent called Africa. So now I have selected Africa. So the continent is equals to Africa. So now click apply. So and now click OK. So now you can able to visualize it contains only the African continent, and it shows different African countries here. And now let me zoom to this African countries here. So we're gonna right click this layer and we're gonna click this option called zoom to layer. So now here there is a total of around 54 countries here. So we can take a look of those countries. So we're gonna navigate to this option here, countries layer. We're gonna right click and click this option called attribute table. And now here you can able to visualize the different countries names in Africa. So starting from Ethiopia, Republic of Congo, and there is around 54 countries in this particular African continent. So now let me close this. So now let me show you how to save your definition query. So for that we're going to navigate to this layer, countries layer, right click and go to this option called properties. So in that we're going to select our definition queries. So now to save this definition query, we're going to hover over this particular query, and we have to click this option called save definition query. So now let me save this, and now let me navigate to my folder location, and now let me save this query name as African countries. So now I have entered as African countries. Now click save. So now we have saved our query, definition query. So now let me remove this query and restore this definition query. So for that we're gonna click this option here called remove definition query. So let me click this and click S and click OK. So now you can able to visualize we are back to with all 255 countries here. So now let me right click this and go to the properties, and now to restore our definition query, so we're gonna click this option here, the arrow button. Let me click this and click this option called add a definition queries from file. So now let me navigate to my folder location. So this is my definition query, African countries. Now let me click this and click OK, and now let me click OK. So now we are back to our African countries. Now again let me get back to my definition query. We're gonna right click, go to this properties. So instead of removing our definition query, we can just deactivate our definition query just by navigating to this option here. So click this the tick mark here, the green tick mark, clear the active query. Let me click this and click OK. So now we are back to 255 countries, showing all the 255 countries. And now I will show you how to create more than one definition query in the layer. So for that we're going to navigate to this layer, properties and definition query. So here you can able to visualize the active definition query is none. So now let us create a new definition query. We're going to click this option here. So we're going to select the continents equals to Europe. So in this particular field we're going to select continent. So let me select the continent here, continent equals to Europe. So now let me select Europe and click apply. We're gonna click this option here and click OK. So now here you can able to visualize the Europe here. Let me zoom into this. And now suppose if you want to show both the African and European countries, so for that let me open my countries layer here, right click, go to this option called properties, navigate to definition query. So now to create a query to activate both the African and European countries, now let me turn this off. Let me deactivate this particular query here. So for that we're gonna click this option called a new definition query. So in the query 2 we're gonna select the continents, and now let me click continents and equals to Africa, and we're gonna click this option called add clause. Click this option called add clause. So here we're gonna set to or, and we're gonna select continent here and equals to Europe. So now let me select Europe, and now here let me click this option apply, and let me take this query set as active and click OK. So now we can able to visualize both the Europe and Africa. So basically we have our definition query which includes both African and European countries. And now here let me go back to my countries layer, right click, go to the option called properties. So in definition query, let me save this particular second definition query called European countries. Now let me save here as a European countries. So now I have entered as European countries and click save. And similarly, now let me save this particular query called African and European countries. I'm gonna save as African and European countries. Click this option called save definition query. So now let me enter as African and European countries. So now I have entered as African and European countries and click save. And you can also able to visualize here there is only one query will be active. So let me show you that we can't active multiple queries, so we can just activate one query at the time. So click OK. And now suppose if you want to enter some name for this particular query, you can just click on this here, and you can remove this name here and enter the European countries. And similarly you can navigate to this particular query here and you can enter as African and European countries. So now here you can able to visualize it, African and European countries, and click OK. So similarly we're gonna do it for rail network here, the layer called rail network. Click this. So we can right click, go to the option called properties. So navigate to the definition query. We're gonna click this option called new definition query. So in that we're gonna select the continent equals to, we're gonna select North America and click OK and click OK. And now let us take a look at this here. So you can able to visualize the railroad network in North America. Similarly, now let me show you for the railroad network for Europe. So for that we're gonna navigate to this definition query, add a new definition query here. We're gonna click this option continent equals to Europe and click OK. So now let me turn this on here. I forgot to turn this on. So make sure that you turn on the query here, activate it and click OK. And now here you can able to visualize the railroad network of Europe. So in this video I have shown you how to create and save multiple definition queries using ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.